Need a reliable adhesive for your next big project? Whether you're building a superhero suit for the next Comic-Con or you're assembling a UAV composite airframe, BJB's ArmorBond adhesives, they got you covered. Let's break down BJB's ArmorBond options. AP1230 Flex and AP3220 Rigid. AP1230 is a flexible polyurethane adhesive with a 70 Shore A hardness. It's perfect for bonding flexible polyurethanes together and a variety of other substrates. With a 3 to 4 minute working time, it gives you just enough time to position your parts before it sets. AP1230 is popular for costuming and cosplay armor, medical simulators, industrial and general purpose bonding. Need something stiffer? AP3220 is a rigid polyurethane adhesive with a 70 Shore D hardness. It sets fast in about a minute to a minute and a half and bonds both rigid and semi-rigid materials with excellent strength. It's popular for automotive and aerospace applications, rapid prototyping assemblies, composite structures, and much more. To sum up these two great adhesives, use AP1230 when flexibility and shock absorption matter. Choose AP3220 when you need a fast, rigid, high-strength bond. Explore more at bjbmaterials.com and take your builds to the next level using ArmorBond adhesives.